हेलो Earthlings. I hope ਤੁਹਾਡੀ लाइफ में सब चंगा चल रहा सी. So in today's video we'll be solving another problem from August lead coding challenge, and today's problem is a fairly easy one, but our aim here is to solve and explain all the problems from lead code August challenge. So why should we leave this one? Let's read what the problem statement is. Sentence as is given. Each word consists lowercase and uppercase. Okay, and yeah, there are three rules which we need to follow. We're basically given a string as input. If the word uh, uh, in the string there can be many words, and if the words begins with a vowel, we will append ma to the end of the word. Okay, and if the first word is not a vowel, uh, we will put the first character at the end of the string word and then append ma. Okay, so goat becomes OATGMA. And the third condition which you need to follow is keep appending a to the words in our sentence, and append one a to the first word, append two a's the second word, append three a's the third, and so on. So, and the constraints are very small. Let's open this in a separate tab. Yep, uh, let me explain what I've done here. The input given is the string s, and I'm using a's, which tells us the number of occurrences of a which we need to add to each of the word, like the third condition which they have mentioned. And the temp, I'm using a temporary string. Answer is the final string which we will be returning. Then we will traverse the string if and keep on adding the particular character to temp variable. If si is equal to space, that means we have surpassed, or uh, we have moved ahead of one word, that is we have go to space. Then we need to process the speak, the previous word which we have traversed. Then we will transform this according to these three conditions. I've created a transform function for that. Now I'm passing the references of temp and a. This is the transform function according to specified rules. If the first character is vowel, there is another function which I'm using. I pass a character to it, and if that character is a vowel, it returns true. And as it has mentioned, they have mentioned that it can be like uppercase or lowercase letters. So I have considered all those cases. If the first character is vowel, then I am transforming the temp as temp plus ma plus a's. A's contains the number of a's which we need to add. And if it is not a vowel, then I'm excluding the first character at first, like taking the substring part from index 1, then then adding first character to it, then ma, and then the a's. So at this point I have transformed temp, that is the single word in our sentence, and I'm adding a to the a's for the next word which I would be transforming. So at this point I've transformed the current word, and I'm adding it to our main answer. After that the space should be added, and then re-initializing. I don't think re-initializing the word, but I think you got the point. Then I'm initializing it again to null, and if it is not space, then I keep adding characters to the temp variable, because I need to first get the word from that string. And also, if I've traversed the whole loop, I also need to take care of the last word. Like this loop does not take care of the last word of a string. I'm doing the same thing with the last word, and then at the end returning the answer. Let's run the code for that. Yep, it works. Let's just copy paste and paste it here and submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So I just earned 10 lead code points. It really feels good to see this plus 10 over here. And with that note, yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you have learned something from it, please do like and subscribe. Till then, sayonara. See you in the next video.